Yoga pose of the week from the MaYoniAt womb yoga tradition, the Midwife. So there are some poses that require you to tap into your playful side, and this pose is definitely one of them. In this pose, you're balancing on your tailbone, and the slightest movement can tip you over. And if that happens, have a good giggle, and then do your best to get back up and try again. And if this is difficult to raise your legs all the way up, that's totally fine. Just try to focus on at least lifting your feet off the ground for maybe about like 2 to 3 inches off the ground, and just stay there for about eight breaths if you can. And then while holding, whether you have your legs fully extended or you're just lifting your feet off the mat, while holding this position, you can recite the following affirmation. My womb is in divine order. I breathe order into my yoni. And you can repeat that about 7 times. And this is taken from Mama Sanovia. That's who I trained under for the MaYoniAt yoni womb yoga tradition. And lastly, what I want to say about this pose, I like to look at yoga as like a moving metaphor. And this pose is called the Midwife, and your legs are extended out, I mean, ideally, but the intention behind this is rebirthing yourself. And so every day that we are blessed to wake up, we have an opportunity to reinvent ourselves, to refine ourselves, to reassess what's working and what's not working. We as women, our wombs, it's not just a place where we birth babies, but it's where we birth our ideas and our dreams and our aspirations. So just keep that in mind when you're doing this pose. If there's something that you're trying to manifest, then you can also think about that while you're in this pose, to use your body as use yoga as an alchemical process to be able to transform, transmute, and to manifest whatever it is that you desire. So yoga is very powerful in that way. So I just wanted to add that other layer of mindfulness when doing yoga, and especially for this particular pose. Okay, so lastly, the benefits of this pose is that it tones the abdominal muscles, it stretches the groin area, it improves digestion, it soothes the nerves, it improves focus and concentration, and it also improves balance. And as I mentioned earlier, it also allows you to get in touch with your playful side. So have fun with this. Don't take yourself too serious, okay, ladies? Alrighty, well, that's the pose of the week. I look forward to connecting with you next week. Until then, take care of yourself. Peace.